Could the American Express Gold Card be one of the top credit cards that you can have in 2022? Well, in this video, you will find out. So if you're ready for the ride, in this video, I'm gonna go over everything you must know about the American Express Gold Card. And if you stay until the end, I will give you guys my take on this card. By the way, guys, my name's Thiago. Let's get into this video. To start off this video, let's look at what you need in order to qualify for this card. So to me, this is a mid to premium tier leveled card, and this basically means that you either need good to excellent credit in order to qualify for this card. By this, you should have a minimum credit score of 670 to qualify, but ideally, you should have a credit score of 720 or higher for outstanding approval odds. One thing to note is that American Express is a little more stricter than other credit card issuers. So you will also need to make decent income to qualify for this card. One thing you should note is because it is a premier level card, it does come with a hefty annual fee of $250. But this isn't bad compared to other cards out there, especially because of what it has to offer. The cool thing is, if you do apply for this card, you do get a choice between colors. So you can either go for the gold card or the rose gold card. By the way, if any of you guys out there have this card, let me know which color looks better. The American Express Gold Card is also
a metal credit card.
So you get that premium feel whenever you do use this card. You also get the chance to flex and turn heads if that's something you guys are looking to do. Lastly, in the month that I'm recording this video, there is a current offer for an introductory 75,000 points for using $4,000 within the first 6 months of you guys having this card. So if you're thinking about signing up for this card, this is a great time to do so. Now that you know what you need in order to qualify for this cards, let's dive in and talk about points. The American Express Gold Card is probably the best card if you eat out a lot or do a lot of grocery shopping. With this card, you will earn 4 times back on restaurants and delivery services. You will also earn 4 times points back on groceries. So if you do heavy grocery shopping, this is a card that you guys might consider adding to your arsenal. You'll earn 3 times points back on flight, but there is a caveat. You do have to book your flights directly through the Amex portal. And last but not least, you'll earn 1 times points back on every other purchase that you make using this card. Now, on top of these points, you can level up and earn the chance to earn an additional $240 in credits. You will earn an additional $120 of statement credits by using your card on select dining services and restaurants. You will also earn an additional $120 of statement credits when you use your card on Uber services. The most you can earn is $10 a month as a statement credit, so you can't use this feature all in one lump sum. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the fun does not stop here.
No way!
If you book a hotel through the Amex travel portal, you will get an additional $100 of experience credit, but you do have to book a minimum of 2 nights. By the way, guys, I'm finally gaining some traction on YouTube, so it would mean a lot if you guys hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Now, let's talk about some additional benefits of this card. If you're a traveler, you should know that this card has no foreign transaction fees. Also, if you're traveling, you'll gain access to American Express's Gold Assistant hotline, which can help you with everything from missing luggage to sending you fast wire transfers. If you end up losing your luggage, you should worry, but you also shouldn't, because American Express will provide you with additional baggage insurance. You will get up to $1,250 for carry-ons, $500 for checked bags, and you can use up to $10,000 in aggregate with this feature. Amex also provides rental car insurance if something is to happen. Now, I did mention that American Express does have an app. In this app, you can shop for a variety of items, experiences to your travel needs. One thing you have to understand about this card is that it is a charge card, and because of this, you do have to pay the card in full by the end of the month. However, American Express did change this a little while ago and now allows you to pay for your items over time. Now, if you do decide to use this feature, you will incur an APR of 18.99% to 25.99% on your balance. So make sure that you guys pay off your balance in full at the end of the month because this APR is pretty high. Also keep in mind that if you guys do decide to use this feature, you can just apply it to a certain amount, and anything you spend after, you do have to pay in full. Now, unlike the Amex Platinum, this card does not give you access to airport lounges or to any status upgrades. Now, when it does come to redemption, American Express is at the pinnacle of credit cards. With Amex, not only do you have a bunch of travel partners that you can transfer your points to, but some travel partners like Hilton Honors even give you double the points. So, what's my take on this card? If you're a foodie and do quite a bit of shopping, this is a great card for you, especially with the introduction offer that it has right now, which makes this card very enticing to sign up for. Now, you also get 3 times points when booking your flights through the Amex portal, but the question is, do you really want to book your flights on there? And you only get 1 times points back on everything else that you spend your money on. For $250 a month, this card is a decent offer, and it is a credit card that I am contemplating on getting, but right now I'm currently stuck in the Chase ecosystem. Right now, I'm daily driving the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which does give me less points on dining and groceries, but it does give me better points redemption when I'm looking at travel. Plus, the Chase Sapphire Preferred only costs me $95 a year, which in my eyes is a bargain. Let me know if you guys want me to make an in-depth video about the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Drop me a comment down below. Also, if I get a card like this, I want to maximize this card as best as possible, and I do spend quite a bit of money on dining out and on groceries, so these are categories which I can really benefit from. The only thing is that I don't like spreading myself thin and having my points all over the place. Let me know if this is a problem you run into. Also, let me know what is your thought on this video, on this card. Drop me a comment down below. Let's start a discussion, everybody. Now, there is a card that's getting my wheels turning, in which I'm almost pulling the trigger to get, and that is the Capital One Venture X card, which I made a fantastic video, and I'm gonna link it right here, so make sure to watch that video next.